All right, now, again, I've taken the field sample and reduced it in half for the potential of correlation testing, which is a typical situation for ready mix, in this case for asphalt projects where samples have to be reduced in half for correlation testing. This next process is demonstrating using the flat pan that comes with the splitters, just to demonstrate the appropriate use of these. And I need to reduce this half now down to a 7-ounce sample size for the sample that I'm going to run. Amount of material, it actually could be more than this, but we'll start small. And again, make sure that it's across the material in. Taking a quick look, just eyeballing to make sure that it's homogeneous. And again, any drill that pops out goes into the pan that it popped from. It is inappropriate to flood the chutes when you're reducing samples down because that will cause segregation. Now, having demonstrated using this, I'm going back to the preferred method, my preferred method. Keep in mind, my goal here is to reduce this field sample on down to the required test sample size, which will be found in IM 301. Now, when I feel like I've got this reduced down, by the way, just as a point of reference for this particular material, the required minimum 7-ounce test sample size is 2,000 grams of dry material. Now, I have finished reduction. I need to check weigh to make sure that the sample size is appropriate. With 7 ounces, IM 302 tells us for coarse aggregates that we don't necessarily need to dry the sample to a constant dry weight as long as the sample is in an air dry condition. So we can skip for 7 ounces the actual drying of the material on the stove. We need to have at least 2,000 grams, and we've got 2,616.5 grams. That is recorded as the original dry weight. We are only doing 7 ounces with this sample, so we do not have to dry it to a constant dry weight, wash it over a 200, and dry it again in this process.